Every product begins with a story. Ours started with the question, what if everyday plastic waste can be reimagined into something you'd actually want in your home? We worked with Nigel and his team at BTO, Built to Objects, a team with a vision to create a new recycling system for Singapore. Over an 8-week pilot, where 39 homeowners volunteered to be part of, red bins were placed right at their doorsteps to collect everyday plastic waste, which was then delivered to our studio for material transformation. We sorted, deconstructed, and compressed these plastics. Some turned out brittle, some surprisingly durable. Then came the design phase. We knew from the start the outcome had to be modular, repairable, and something homeowners would truly enjoy having in their homes. Our direction was shaped by the HYGGE movement, the cozy, curated joy of being at home. Conversations with pilot homeowners also reminded us that the meaningful design is warm, intentional, and personal, like a well-placed lamp or a planter that just fits. The result? We created stacked totems, a series of modular totems which you can freely reconfigure to form a planter, a lamp, bowl, and many more. And it's fully crafted from recycled plastics, designed to display the homeowner's personality and taste. From waste to wonder, this journey showed us how design can reshape not just objects, but the way we live consciously and responsibly.